Why study music theory? Have you ever tried to explain something without having the right words to capture exactly what you mean? It can be a frustrating experience. Part of the process of preparing for a professional career is learning the special language of your chosen field. To those outside the profession, the technical language may seem like a secret code intended to prevent the non-specialist from understanding. For example, a medical doctor might speak of cardiac infarction, myocardia, or angina when referring to conditions that we might call, inaccurately, a heart attack. To those who know the technical terms, however, one or two words capture a wealth of associated knowledge, years of experience and books worth of information. Words and symbols not only let us name things, they also help us to communicate how separate elements work together and group into categories. Music theory provides useful terms and categories, but it does more than that. It also provides a framework for considering how music is put together, what musical elements are in play, when particular styles were prevalent, and why music sounds the way it does. Understanding the vocabulary for categorizing and explaining musical events will prepare you to develop your own theories about the music you are playing and studying. The purpose of this channel is to introduce you to the technical language of music. In the first part, you will learn or review basic terminology and notation. Mastery of terminology will allow you to communicate quickly and accurately with other musicians. Mastery of notation will allow you to read and write music effortlessly. You will next learn about small to medium-scale musical progressions and how they work. Knowledge of these progressions will help you compose music in particular styles, structure improvisations on your instrument, make interpretive decisions in performance, and improve your sight reading skills. Later videos of the channel deal with larger musical contexts, such as how sections of music fit together to make musical form. You will learn how to write in standard musical forms in differing styles, how to divide the pieces you perform into sections, and how to convey your understanding of form in performance. In more advanced training, we explore ways that these concepts are transformed, or abandoned, in music of the 20th and 21st centuries, and consider new theories that have arisen to explain music structure in this repertoire. We will apply this information in the same ways as in previous lessons, with direct links to performance, analysis, and writing. One of the most important things to remember about music theory is that it is all about music, how and why music sounds the way it does, and what elements of a piece or a performance move us. You will be listening to music in every video, so that you can associate terms and notation with sounding music. We want you to make connections every day between what you are learning in this channel and the music you are playing, singing, hearing, and writing. Music theory is absolutely relevant to the music making we do, whether it's listening, performing, analyzing, or composing. You will see references in nearly every chapter to the way its content might inform your music making. Use this information. Take it to the practice room, the studio, and the rehearsal hall to make the connection between your coursework and your life as a practicing musician. We hope the concepts you learn here will impact the ways you think about music for many years to come. New lessons will be published on this channel every week. To see more tutorials, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification to know about new videos. See you soon.